Welcome back friends to my channel, and today I'm embroidering this cute elephant using long short stitches and with 3 strands. This is a cute embroidery piece that could be used for t-shirts, collars or pockets styles. Simply embroidering from the outline, the outer side of his head, and for the outline, to make it a proper outline, I'm just making a buttonhole stitch over there, only for the single part, like just for the outer side. For the outlines, I'm just going to complete it with the buttonhole, and then we'll be filling inside all over the place with the long and short. Simply make the second row like this with the same long and short stitches, and you can see how little it is looking like small furs for his face. Simply pull out your needle and push it inside over here, and somewhere like this for the shorter stitch. It could be a little time taken, but it's worth it. And if you're enjoying this video with me here, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and share with your friends. Now before finishing over the second half of his face, I'm just simply making the same stitches but with a different use of colors over here in his ears very from inside it is a little pink, and then covering it up with the same gray shade. Covering it with the same stitches and just making sure that all the strands that I'm using is only to the number of 3. Like it will be a detailed effect. If I use less number of threads, it will give a nice detailed outlook. So finishing his outer side of the ear with the another thread that is of pink shade and using buttonhole stitch. Let's finish the ear with the darker shade of gray and just making the same long and short and filleting up the rest of the area. Similar thing I will be doing for his rest of his body and ear part. So it's quite done, and now it's time for his trunk. Because he's a small elephant and the trunk part is very small, so I'm just making the smaller version of the long short stitches so that it looks cute. And I just took a little break from the camera and I'm back with all of this got filled up. And now let's make the legs and for that I'm using simply the satin stitch and completing it over here. For his nails and foot, I will be using the grey and the pink color and will fill it up with the satin stitch. As you can see here, this is quite looking great as the final piece. Now it's time for his eyes. Let's complete it with small stitches here and similarly for the second eye. With this, we completed our today's project of a tiny little elephant, and I hope you